Hello Mr. Trọng and everyone. My name is Minh and I'm from Team 9. My teammates are Nguyễn Hải Thiện and Bùi Phạm Anh Quân. We made this video to analyze a very popular problem nowadays, using the internet to find locations information. As we can see, usually, whenever we need to find the information on a location, especially some restaurant or cafe, we just have to type its name on Google Maps or on the social networking site, typically Facebook. However, not all information we want to search is always available, and sometimes it is unreliable. Therefore, this video will provide an overview of this problem as well as the solution to it. Firstly, we want to find a location named Local Lunch and Dinner on Google Maps.
As you can see, Google Maps will show you almost all the information about this restaurant. In order to find the way to it, we have to click directions. After you type your starting location, Maps will show you a specific way to go from there to the restaurant at the time it will take if you choose any means of transport.
In addition, if we slide down the screen, you could also see the address, opening time, phone number, pictures, menu, and reviews of the restaurant. Now we're gonna find another location on Google Maps named Hương Béo Ăn Vặt, a selling breast cafeteria. As you can see, there's no information about this location on Google Maps.
This is the problem we want to mention. We can't find every location on Google Maps, a typical piece of software used to search for the information of a location. The solution to this problem that we suggest is using social media. In this case, we use Facebook because it is the most well-known social networking site, with about 7 million Vietnamese users in 2020.
When typing Hương Béo Bánh Mì Nướng Hải Phòng on search Facebook bar, you can see the fan page of it. When entering the fan page and sliding down the screen, you could find the information of the cafeteria, except the reviews of it. In order to search for the reviews, we can consult some review food groups. In this case, we enter a group named Review Đoàn Hải Phòng. Clicking the magnifying glass figure and typing Hương Béo Bánh Mì Nướng Hải Phòng, we can find a wide range of reviews about the cafeteria, including price, inside the cafeteria, activity on staff, and more. And finally, if we can trust the reviews on the internet because perhaps they were posted for commercial purpose only by a friend or relative of the owner, all we have to do is experiment by ourselves. Let's go! That is the end of this video. We hope that through this video, you could understand this kind of problem and the solution to it, as well as some tips when you need to consider a restaurant or a cafe. Thank you for watching our video.